Hello kids, welcome back to our next session. English lesson 2, Munish at school. What is Munish at school? Textbook pages 14 to 17. 14 to 17. Lesson name is Munish at school. You are also going to school. One day, what does he do at school? Who is Munish? We'll see through the lesson. Before the lesson, they are asking name some of the activities you do at school. You are doing some activities. You are going to school for learning. Along with the learning, you are doing some activities also. Isn't it? What are the activities? We'll see once. Once you say, children, you only say. Along with the learning, all subjects, you are doing what, children? Art and craft. You are doing, no, children? Art and craft. Then next, what is drawing? You have the drawing period also. Drawing, painting, 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 and karate, karate, karate. Along with the subject studying, we are doing other activities also. Once again, art and craft, drawing, painting, karate, dance, coloring, singing, many are there. Isn't it, children? Okay. Now we will go to the textbook. Textbook page 14, children. Okay. Then this is Munish. What is the boy's name, children? Munish. What is the boy's name? Munish. His mom wakes him up at 6 o'clock. What is the boy's name? Munish. What is the boy's name, children? Munish. He wakes at 6 o'clock. Very good boy. 6 o'clock. He wakes at 6 o'clock. Then he gets washed and dressed. Immediately he is washed, brushing teeth. What is doing? Brushing and bathing fast and dressing. He is doing his work very soon. Fast. He is doing his work. What is he doing? Wake up 6 o'clock and brushing, bathing and dressing. Get ready for go to school. Then next, what happened? Next one is he is having breakfast. Having breakfast. Having his breakfast. What he is doing? Munish wakes up at 6 o'clock and he is doing his work fast himself. Brushing, bathing, dressing, having breakfast. He is doing his work. The next page is at 7 o'clock the school bus comes. To the 7 o'clock he is becoming very ready. He is ready to go to school. You also do like wake up morning early and do your works very fast. Isn't it? Then next, Munish leaves for school. He reaches the school and he is never late to school. He is never late. Children, you also. Never late to school. Be early to school. Isn't it? Come early to school. He reaches the school in time. He reaches the school. Then the peon rings the bell. He reached the school. Then after what happened? The peon. Who rings the bell? The peon. The peon rings the bell. The school time started. Then children go to their classes. Children went to their classes. Again the teacher calls the roll. The teacher took the attendance. First what happened? 6 o'clock waking and getting ready. 7 o'clock he went to school, start to go in the school and He reaches the school and the teacher took the attendance. Peon rings the bell. Teacher took the attendance, and then what happened? Next, what is going on, children? After roll call, children line up in the school compound. Children line up in the school compound. They are ready for the prayer. After the bell, what we are doing, children? We are going for assembly, isn't it? Same way, Munish school also the same. Munish also, after the bell, he went to assembly, isn't it? Then next, they say their morning prayer. They have the morning prayer. After prayers, children go back to their classes. Children went to their classes after the assembly. Okay. Going in a line also. We should follow that. Then Munish goes to his class. Munish went to his class. All children went along with. He also went and he went to his class. Next, the teacher comes in. What do you say, children? When the teacher is entering to your class, what you will say? Yeah, same. He said, children stand up and say, good morning, teacher. They wished the teacher. How? They said the good morning, teacher. Then the teacher says, or teacher replied, what? Good morning, children, sit down. Teacher also wished the children. Teacher also wished the children, and what did she say? She said that to sit down the children. The next page, children, page number 16. Page number 16. What happened here? He went to school and morning prayer completed and went to the class, and the teacher came to the class. Then they wished, children wished the teacher, and the same way the teacher also wished to the students. Then next, what is going on? Now the teaching begins. Teaching begins. Children do reading and writing for 2 hours. Teacher is saying that, children, you do. Now I am not teaching. You do reading and writing for 2 hours. Do the revision. That only teacher says to the children. Then it's playtime. Playtime. Then it is playtime. After 2 hours, we are going to play to ground. Are you happy, children? Yes, I know you are happy. Children go out to play. Children went to play very happily. Okay. Munish likes to play chasing games. You know chasing games, children? After playtime, children do maths and science. After the playtime, they are starting to learning which subjects, children? Maths and science. Munish is good at maths. He is a good boy. He reads well. He likes maths. He do maths very well. Then he is also good at science. He is good boy. So he does maths and science very well. If say briefly, he learned very well. He is a good boy. Okay. Then next, then it is lunch time. Lunch time, we are having our lunch. Children go to the lunch room. They went to the lunch room for lunch. They open their lunch boxes and eat together. They opened their lunch boxes and shared theirs. What they brought, they shared themselves and had. Then next, what is going on? After lunch break, children go to the art room. After the lunch break, they didn't study. What did they do? They did the activities. What is the first activity? Art room. They went to the art room. They sit on a carpet. They sit on the floor. They arranged the carpet. They sit on there. They learned singing and dancing. In the art room, they did the singing and dancing. There, the period is singing and dancing. That is an activity. They also learned painting also. They did the painting also there in the activity room. Okay. Munish likes painting best. See children, Munish likes painting best and he is good in maths and science also. So he is a good boy. He reads well. Okay. The next page, page number 17. Then it is story time. You like the story children, fairy tales? Okay. You are always saying to your grandparents to say the story. Any story. Yeah. Children come back to their classroom. After the lunch, they went to the activity room. They did the activity. What are they? Dance, singing and painting, drawing, coloring. They completed there, and after that they are going to their same class. And what was there? The time of story time. That is the time of story time. Then what will happen there? The teacher tells them a new story every time. See children, the teacher is saying the new story to the kids every day. Every day teacher is saying the story to them. Isn't it? You also interesting to listen the story children? Yes. Children love to hear stories. Yeah, children love to hear the stories. Teacher saying the stories and children love to hear stories. Sometimes children also tell stories. Sometimes teacher is asking to them to say any story children. Okay. You also like to say the story? Try to say. Okay. Then next. At last bell goes at 3 p.m. School starts and now the time is 3 p.m. That means afternoon 3 o'clock. Munish comes back home. He comes back at home. Morning 7 he went to school and now he reaches at home at after 3 o'clock. He has some rest and then finishes his homework. See, before also we said about him, he is a good boy. He took rest for a few minutes and he started to doing his homework. Then it is evening. Evening after what it's happened? We'll see children. Munish go out to play with his friends. What did he do there with the friends? Playing. Playing in the ground. Don't play on the road. You should play in the ground or park. Send it children. He feels very happy all day. He feels very happy all day. Are you remembering children what did Munish do a day? At what time he wake up? Munish wakes up 6 o'clock. Then what did he do? Immediately he brushing, bathing, dressing and having breakfast. He is ready to go to school. He is never late to school. He started the school at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock his bus came there. Then he reaches the school and he started his daily work. What are they? Peon rings the bell. Then he went for assembly. After the assembly, all children came to their respective classes and they wished to the teacher. Even teacher also wished them to the students. Then after they read and write something, 2 hours they completed with read and writing. Then they went for play. After the playing, lunch. At the lunch also how did they spend? They are having lunch with sharing themselves. What they brought, they are sharing. Then after the activity time. The activity time, what did they do? They are doing dancing, singing, painting, coloring, drawing, many things. Where are they doing the activities? In the activity room or art room. Isn't it? After that they went to the classroom again. Teacher came there. Then what is going there the next? The next is story time. Teacher every day tells a stories. Sometimes the students also telling the stories. It was a happy day. These things Munish loves to do. He loves to reading and loves to do the activities and loves to tell the story also. Then after what happened last? See, school back at 3 o'clock. 3 p.m. afternoon 3 p.m. School Bell goes 3 p.m. and came back to home. Then what he is doing? He is taking some rest and started his homework. After the homework, he went out for play with his friends. The day was totally happily. He did his work very carefully and doing his work very perfectly. You also try to do this, children. Thank you.